First question, 10 seconds. Name the logic function realized by an AND gate, each of whose inputs is in series with a NOT gate. Yes, George?
The NAND gate.
No, that's incorrect. Who rang? Yes?
2 input NAND gates.
No. Did you ring? You don't want to ring. Okay. The right answer is the NOR. N-O-R, NOR. All right, 30 seconds. What is the energy of a proton at rest in the laboratory frame as expressed in SI base units in scientific notation, 2-3 significant figures? Alexander.
1.50 times 10 to an exponent of negative 10 kilogram meter squared per second squared.
You're right. Seconds. Calculate the radius of gyration of a uniform hoop of radius 0.1 meter and mass 2.1 kilogram. .1 meter. You think it's easy? Try calculating and see. Next set, 3 seconds, 30 seconds each. No, I'll give you 10 seconds each. You don't need 30 seconds for this one. 10 seconds each. When growing maize, farmers at Abrankese, Nyamieni, in the Bosomtwe district in the Ashanti region, choose seeds from high-yielding plants. This is an example of which biological... Yes, Alexander.
Artificial selection.
Yes. From Abrankese in Nyamieni. You don't come from there? Oh. Okay. All right, next one. What name is given to pain that is perceived at a location other than the site of the painful stimulus? Oh, anyone? So the pain, the stimulus is here and the pain is there. It's called referred pain or reflective pain. linkage maps used in genetics? Surely you know this one. Okay, so they are used to identify the location of linked genes on a chromosome. All right, next set, 30 seconds each. First one. Given that the standard enthalpy of formation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are negative 297 kilojoule per mole and negative 396 kilojoule per mole, calculate the enthalpy change for the combustion of sulfur dioxide. Yes, George.
Positive 210.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Alexander.
Negative 198 kilojoules.
That's incorrect. You rang?
Negative 198 kilojoule per mole.
No. The right answer is negative 99 kilojoule per mole. Next one. Artemisinin is a drug used in the treatment of malaria. It has an elemental composition of 22 hydrogen atoms and 5 oxygen atoms, in addition to carbon atoms. Determine the number of carbon atoms in artemisinin if its molar mass is 282. Yes.
So we have 1.5 by 10 raised to an exponent of 1.
Okay. Oh, what a complicated way to give a simple answer. But it's the right answer. All this to say 15. 1.5 times 10 to the raise the power 1. 15. Yes, it's 15 atoms. All right, next one. Determine the sum of the average oxidation number of nitrogen in dinitrogen trioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide, magnesium nitride, and ammonia. Yes, George?
3.
No. Yes, Alexander?
Positive 2.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. 30 seconds each. Solve the simultaneous exponential equations. 3 raised to the power of the expression 2x plus y is equal to 81. And 2 raised to the power of the expression x minus y. Okay, go ahead, George.
X equals 1 and y equals 2.
That's incorrect. I continue reading. It's equal to 32. Yes. Antonio.
X is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 2.
You are right. Next one. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve with equation y is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x is plus 5. Yes,
The x
Alexander.
coordinate is -1, while the y coordinate is 16.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes. Go ahead.
Negative 1.
The x coordinate is -1 and the y coordinate is 16.
That's incorrect. Yes, Pedro.
The x coordinate is -1 and the y coordinate is, make this place 10, is positive 26.
Oh no. The coordinates are 1, 0. Last question of the round. Given that sine of A is equal to 3/5 and cosine of B is equal to -12/13, where A is acute and B is obtuse, evaluate sine of A plus. Yes,
A
Antonio.
fraction with numerator -16 and denominator 65.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round.